In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete project in Netlify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll confidently remove a project from your Netlify account and understand what to expect along the way. Before we begin, a quick note: deleting a project is permanent. If you think you might need its code, environment variables, or logs later, make a backup first. Start by heading to netlify.com and signing into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is the central place where all your projects live. If you manage multiple projects, you can use the search bar or scan the list to quickly find the one you want to remove. Next, click on the project you want to delete. This opens the project's overview page where you'll see recent deploys, settings, and other options. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct project, especially if you have several with similar names. It's a small step that prevents accidental deletion of the wrong one. From the project's overview, open the project configuration. In the interface, this is typically labeled as Settings or Project Configuration, and it might appear as a gear icon. Clicking it takes you into the configuration area where you manage everything from build settings to environment variables. We're heading here because the delete option is kept safely within settings to avoid accidental clicks. Now scroll down through the configuration page. You're looking for the section near the bottom, often referred to as the danger zone or advanced actions. This area contains irreversible actions like deletion, so it's intentionally placed out of the way. Scroll steadily and give the page a second to load if you have a lot of settings. The option will appear as you reach the end. When you see the option labeled Delete this project, click it. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you truly intend to remove the project. Read the prompt carefully. You may be asked to confirm the action or type the project name. When you proceed, Netlify will remove the project along with its builds, deploy history, and associated configuration. This can't be undone, so only confirm when you're sure. After a moment, you'll be taken back to your dashboard and the project will no longer appear in your list. That's it. You went to netlify.com, opened your project, entered project configuration, scrolled to the bottom, and clicked delete this project. If you found this helpful, follow the same flow anytime you need to safely clean up your workspace.